Hello artists, and welcome to my drawing and painting channel. Today we will paint a big yummy donut with lots of sprinkles. Alright, let's begin by getting our paint ready. The paint colors we will use today are brown, pink, light blue, purple, and red. Let's get our art supplies ready. We will need a cereal bowl turned upside down, a pencil, a medium-sized paintbrush, and a pom-pom. Let's begin by placing our cereal bowl in the center of our paper and tracing a line all the way around it. Next, we'll draw a small circle in the middle of the big circle. This will be the hole for the donut. Now we'll use our paintbrush to pick up some pink paint and start painting our donut. But remember not to paint the small circle in the middle. What's your favorite kind of donut? Do you like vanilla or chocolate? Or do you like donuts with sprinkles? Alright, our donut is looking pretty good, and I think we're almost ready to move on to the brown paint. Now let's give our paintbrush a good splish splash in the water jar. Make sure to get your brush nice and clean. Now let's pick up some brown paint with our paintbrush. We will paint a brown line all around the edge of our pink circle. The brown area will be the cake part of the donut, while the pink part is the frosting on the donut. This part's a little tricky, so take your time and just try your best. Our donut is looking pretty good. Now we need to finish the other side. Our donut is looking pretty good. I think we're ready to wash our brush and then move on to the sprinkles. Okay, let's give our brush a good wash in the water. Now let's create some colorful sprinkles using the pom-pom. Pinch the pom-pom nice and firmly between your fingers and then dip it up and down in the blue paint. Then stamp it onto your donut. You can make a little wiggle motion to make sure the paint transfers onto the paper. Let's add a few more blue sprinkles and then we'll move on to the purple sprinkles. Let's clean the pom-pom off on a piece of paper towel. Now let's dip the pom-pom into the purple paint. Now let's create some purple sprinkles on our donut. Wow, this donut is looking very colorful and very yummy. Let's add a few more purple sprinkles and then we'll clean our pom-pom. Clean your pom-pom on the piece of paper towel. Okay, our painting is almost finished. Let's just add some red sprinkles and our donut will be finished. If you had fun today drawing and painting, please give this video a like. Be sure to check out the other videos on my channel for toddlers, preschoolers, and kindergarten. Well, that's our donut painting finished. It looks really good. Be sure to come back and paint with me again. See you later, alligator!